Muhammad Asif Iqbal could not see well from birth. He turned completely blind at the age of 16. But he is one such person who believes that the only disability a person can have is a bad attitude. He received his earlier education in United States and went on to learn how to use a computer through voice-activated software. He became the first blind commerce graduate from St. Xavier's College, Calcutta, and then the first blind MBA in HR from Symbiosis SCMHRD, Pune. Not only did he help himself, but was instrumental in creating reservation quota for disabled across IIMs, IITs, and all government universities in India. Presently, he is the Associate Director at PwC. In his 14 years span of career, he had designed and implemented social inclusion strategy for Aadhaar, accessible income tax, accessible telecom under TRAI, etc. And in order to promote this digital inclusion agenda, he has met former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, and various other eminent personalities. He has also been appointed as the digital inclusion expert for Smart City project under the Government of India, with the mission to empower the disabled technologically. He has given lectures regarding its diversity and inclusion at CII, National HRD Network, Society for Human Resource Management, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, ASSOCHAM, and NASSCOM. He is honored with various awards such as the National Award, West Bengal State Role Model Award, Extraordinary Citizen of Kolkata Award, etc. Recently, he delivered a TED Talk on winning solution for disabled. Last year, he ran 12 numbers of 10-kilometer marathons and was recognized by Sachin Tendulkar for his initiative. This year, he is preparing for 21-kilometer marathon. He would like to ignite minds of the youth and influence their thought process of being inclusive in their workforce, along with the universal design of products and services. He looks forward in contributing to the nation building and exploring partnership for collaborations to take his mission of strong inclusive India, which offers opportunity for all.